Hi YouTubers, Jerry here. I haven't made a video in a really long time, probably been about 5 years. Today I'm just going to show you how to make simple way to make springs. You just take any old drill attachment and remove it from the drill if it's not working, and then you just set it up to where you're able to turn it, attach it, from the back, and then I attach this to the 4x4 right here. And for mandrels, you can make you can use anything you want for a mandrel. All you have to do is loop one end in a hole, put a hole in one end right here, and then start to turn it and turn it around and hold whatever wire you're using. As it's turning, it'll turn the spring. I like to use different size bolts too, because the threads in the bolt actually the wire will follow the thread in the bolt. Okay, so you can basically make any type of mandrel you want, anything laying around. I got different size bolts. I found a bolt here, and I got a little plastic cap on it to where I can start the wire, shove the wire inside the cap, and then start following the threads as I'm turning it in the drill here. And all you do is you loosen this up just like that, and then you can take and put any mandrel you want back in again. I'll just use this one for an example here, and then tighten your mandrel up. This mandrel here is nothing but a straw, drinking straw. It's the stainless steel one. And I cut a little notch right here with a hacksaw. That way I can drop the wire in this little notch and then start to turn it. And as I'm turning, you hold your wire close together, keep it from separating, and just keep letting it go and go. There's different type of wires that I use. You can use a stainless steel small wire, like this. Or you can use a heavier gauge wire. This one is really stiff here. It's a heavier gauge wire, okay? This one here is a little bit thinner wire, so it's got a little bit more move to it. This one here is pretty much a lighter duty wire. This is a stainless steel also right here, but a different size mandrel that I made it on. I made these on different size mandrels. This is a smaller mandrel that I used with a stainless steel wire. And this one is actually threaded. I made this one threaded on. This is the one I made with the threads. So you just unscrew that after you make your follow your threads through, and then you have your spring. Nice thing about making your own springs are you can make them different lengths, whatever you need to be. And I guess that's my little video for today. I think maybe I'm going to start making videos again and put them out there. So, thanks for watching.